Hello students, good morning. In previous video, we were starting for the reactions of alkyl halides. The alkyl halides react with other species, give the different products. The next reaction, that is a reaction with active metals. Reaction with active metals. In that, there is the first reaction, that is reaction with magnesium. That reaction is also known as formation of Grignard reagent. Formation of Grignard reagent or reaction with magnesium. When alkyl halide is treated with magnesium in dry ether, it gives alkyl magnesium halide. It is known as Grignard reagent. It is also a definition of Grignard reagent. That is, what are Grignard reagent means? Alkyl magnesium halides are the Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halides. It is known as Grignard reagent. See here, that is the general reaction. When alkyl halide, that is RX, R means alkyl, X means halogen group. RX, when react with magnesium in presence of dry ether as a solvent, we get alkyl magnesium halide. Magnesium is divalent. The bond breaking between R and X, the R and X both groups are attached with that metal, and we get a Grignard reagent, that is alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard reagent. For example, when ethyl bromide is treated with magnesium, in presence of ethyl bromide, you can take methyl bromide, methyl chloride, any alkyl halide. When ethyl bromide is treated with magnesium in dry ether, it gives ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. See here, that is ethyl bromide, C2H5Br, ethyl bromide. When treated with magnesium in presence of dry ether, we get ethyl attached in one side of that magnesium and the other side, that is bromine. Then ethyl magnesium bromide. The name of that compound, ethyl magnesium bromide. As like that, compounds are known as Grignard reagents. That is alkyl magnesium halides. The next reaction, that is Wurtz reaction. That reaction, we are already familiar with that reaction because it is also discussed in 11th standard, that Wurtz reaction, that is the preparation of alkane. In bit of preparation of alkane, we are discuss about the Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction means the alkyl halide or the reaction of alkyl halide with sodium metals. See here, alkyl halides react with metallic sodium in dry ether, form higher alkanes, or which contains the double carbon atom than the reactant. The product contains double number of carbon atoms are double than the reactant alkyls. That is the general reaction. There is two molecules of alkyl halides, RX. When react with two sodium metals, we in presence of dry ether we get, that is RR, that is known as alkane, with byproduct NaX, that is sodium halide. When sodium react with that alkyl halide, the bond between RX is broken down. That X means that halogen atom is combined with that sodium, and the remaining alkyl group, there is two alkyl groups because twice RX combined to each other, we get RR. If it is CH3, then we get CH3 CH3. If it is C2H5, then we get C2H5 C2H5. See here, there is one example. Ethyl bromide react with metallic sodium in dry ether, form butane. In the reactant, there is ethyl. Alkyl group is ethyl, which contains number of carbon atom, that is 2. But we get a product butane, which contains number of carbon 4, that is the double. See here, twice C2H5Br ethyl bromide plus 2Na in presence of dry ether, we get butane, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3, that means C2H5 C2H5, and the byproduct, that is 2NaBr, because that sodium combined with that bromine and we get a byproduct, that is sodium bromide. There is a same molecule, we take here the two same molecules or the same solution, that is ethyl bromide. If there is a different solution or mixture of solution of alkyl halides, a mixture of solution of alkyl halides, when a mixture of two different alkyl halides is used, three possible alkanes are formed. See here, there is the mixture of methyl bromide and ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide with methyl bromide with ethyl bromide. Here we taken twice ethyl bromide, but that is the mixture of ethyl bromide and ethyl bromide. In presence of dry ether, when react with sodium, we get three possible products. Number one, ethane, CH3CH3. That product is combined with two methyl molecules to each other, we get CH3CH3. In that solution, the many molecules of methyl bromide or many molecules of ethyl bromide. Then two molecules when combined with each other, that is CH3CH3, methyl bromides, two alkyl group are attached to each other, we get an ethane. When ethyl and methyl, that ethyl group and methyl group combine to each other, we get propane, that is methyl group and it is ethyl group. When combined to each other, we get propane. When the ethyl group combine to each other, there is also many ethyl groups which they are combined to each other, we get C2H5, that means CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. That is the product butane. As like that, there is two reactions of alkyl halides. Then after we are discuss about the reactions with haloarenes, because in that video the all alkyl halides reactions are completed. Then after we are discuss about in next video, that is reactions with haloarenes. Thanks.